Hi everyone, it's Gabrielle Peterson. Today we are going to be thinking about the future classroom, and we will take a deeper look into what collaboration between parents and teachers will look like in a future classroom. 3 points that will be discussed is that teachers will no longer be the only source of information. Technology will be used to further learning and understanding, and teachers and parents can collaborate and join forces by using different forms of technology. The first section is teachers as a coach. In future classrooms, you will start to see a transition from the teacher being the sole source of information to the students using different strategies and forms of technology to take ownership of their learning. The teacher will still be there to help and assist students as they proceed through their learning endeavors. Learning will be paced by the needs of the child and at the child's current learning level. My field educator and I discussed this transition into student-centered learning. In many classrooms, you can already see the switch beginning to occur. Teachers are allowing students to complete research on school computers and use different forms of technology to expand their learning. The teachers are taking a back seat and giving some control over to the students. Students are thinking critically, collaborating with their peers, and taking charge of their own learning. The next section, called Technologies for Collaboration with Parents. My field educator and I discussed the importance of having instant collaboration with parents. This collaboration fosters a connection between student learning in the classroom and at home. It is important for teachers and parents to be on the same page so that there can be a level playing field, so to speak. There are 3 forms of online technology that will be discussed. The first is an app called Sesame. Sesame is a portfolio and communication tool that allows for quick formative assessment. This app allows teachers to prepare reports and conduct parent-teacher conferences. This can also be used as a collaboration tool with students. The next app is called Blooms. This is a communication tool that can be between parents and teachers and also students. Teachers can create groups, ask for volunteers, create student portfolios, and more. My field educator and I discussed Blooms since this is a tool she and I both use in our classrooms. This tool comes in handy when the teacher or the parent has a quick comment or question. The teacher is able to respond to the parent in real time and fix any problems that could be arising. We both believe that the Blooms app saves us time when contacting parents and is easy to navigate. The last app that will be discussed is Seesaw. Seesaw allows teachers to keep digital portfolios of student work. The teacher can communicate with families and share the student work with them. Therefore, in the future classroom, collaboration between parents and teachers will be easy and instant. The classroom will be student-centered and will include numerous types of technology to provide students with a personalized learning experience. Thank you for listening.